The best-selling chisel set isn't always the best choice. That's something most people don't realize until they've already bought one. Woodworking chisels all look similar online, but the real difference shows up when you're actually carving, paring, or cleaning out mortises. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, Hurricane 4-piece CRV set. First up is the Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set. At just under $18, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option for beginners and DIYers. What caught my eye was the CRV steel blades and the inclusion of safety caps, small details that actually matter when you're storing tools in a crowded garage drawer. If you want an affordable, no-frills set that still delivers decent edge retention, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The drop-forged chromium vanadium steel holds up surprisingly well against hardwoods like oak and maple. The 25-degree bevel edge gives you versatility, whether you're paring thin shavings or chopping mortises. The PVC handles are lightweight and absorb shock decently when you tap them with a mallet, which is exactly what you need for door lock installations or quick furniture fixes. Over 3,000 units sold in the past month shows it's popular with homeowners, not just weekend warriors. Now, some people complained about the blades arriving dull or needing immediate sharpening. Here's the thing though, most budget chisels do. You'll likely need to hone them right out of the box anyway, so this isn't a deal breaker unless you expect razor-sharp perfection on delivery. The real issue is the handle material. PVC feels cheaper than wood and can crack under repeated heavy mallet strikes over time. This is perfect for you if you're new to woodworking or only tackle occasional projects around the house. Skip this one if you plan on doing daily joinery work or need tools that last decades. For under $20, it's solid value. Just don't expect workshop-grade durability. Product number 2, DeWalt Pro 3-piece set. Now, if Hurricane's plastic handles bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The DeWalt Pro 3-piece chisel set steps up with bi-material handles and a thicker metal strike cap. Classic DeWalt durability. Priced at $27.98, it's still affordable, but feels more professional. If you want trusted brand reliability with better impact resistance, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The carbon steel blades are tempered for long-lasting edges, and the lacquered coating helps prevent rust, a real plus if you work in humid shops. The flat strike cap means you can hammer it without worrying about the handle splitting, which is huge when you're cleaning out deep mortises. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during longer sessions, something beginners often overlook until their hands start cramping. Now, some people complained about the limited size range, only 3 chisels, and no 1/4-inch or 1-inch options, which are essential for fine detail work. Here's the thing though. This set is designed for utility, not precision carving. It's ideal for framing, trim work, or basic joinery where you need strength over variety. Also, carbon steel requires more maintenance than CRV. You'll need to oil it regularly to avoid corrosion. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or DIYer who values tool longevity and brand trust. Skip this one if you need a full range of sizes for detailed cabinetry or carving. It's a great mid-tier option with real pro features. Product number 3, Grebstack Beechwood Handle Set. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for traditional woodworkers. The Grebstack 4-piece set uses beechwood handles and chrome-plated striking hoops, a design that screams old-school craftsmanship. At $17.79, it's priced like the Hurricane, but feels infinitely more premium. If you want the warmth and feedback of real wood in your hands, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Beechwood handles provide better grip and natural shock absorption than PVC, especially during precise paring cuts. The CRV blades are heat-treated just like the others, but the balance here feels more natural. 9.5 inches long for optimal control. The included storage bag is a nice touch, keeping blades protected and organized, which is something you'll appreciate if you toss tools into a toolbox. Now, some people complained about the handles loosening over time or the chrome hoop coming loose after heavy use. Here's the thing though, This happens with any wood-handled chisel if you abuse it with a hammer instead of a mallet. Use it right, and it'll last years. Also, no honing guide or sharpening stone included, so you'll need to supply your own maintenance tools. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or traditional woodworker who values feel and aesthetics. Skip this one if you need extras like sharpening aids or work in high moisture environments. Wood handles can swell. Great value for a classic style set.
Product number 4, Amazon Basics 8-piece kit. Now, if Greb's Tech's lack of extras frustrated you, this next one packs serious value. The Amazon Basics 8-piece set includes 6 chisels, a honing guide, and a dual grit sharpening stone, all for $37.62. That's a full sharpening setup included, which most sets charge extra for. If you want everything in one box to start serious woodworking, this is hard to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The range goes from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inch, covering everything from delicate dovetails to wide tenon cheeks. The CRV blades are heat-treated and hold an edge well, and the contoured wooden handles reduce fatigue during long sessions. The blow-molded case keeps everything secure. No more lost chisels or damaged edges. The honing guide ensures consistent angles, which is critical because even the best chisel is useless if it's dull. Now, some people complained about the sharpening stone being too coarse or wearing down quickly. Here's the thing though, it's a starter stone. You'll likely upgrade to a water stone later, but having one included means you can maintain your edges immediately. Also, the case latch can feel flimsy, so don't expect airline durability. This is perfect for you if you're starting out and want a complete kit without buying extras. Skip this one if you already own sharpening tools or prefer metal-handled chisels. For the price, it's one of the best all-in-one deals out there. Product number 5, Unzeling 10-piece full kit. Finally, if Amazon Basics got you close but you want even more, the Unzeling 10-piece set goes all out. For $27.98, you get 6 chisels, a honing guide, sharpening stone, and even carpenter pencils. Yes, pencils. It's the most complete package here. If you want maximum tools for minimal cost, this is the bargain king. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The vacuum heat-treated CRV steel is supposedly twice as durable as regular carbon steel, which means fewer regrinds and longer life. The 25-degree, 30-degree adjustable honing guide is a standout. It lets you customize your edge angle based on the wood type, which advanced users will appreciate. The PVC handles are non-slip and comfortable, and the heavy-duty strike cap handles mallet work without deforming. Now, some people complained about inconsistent blade quality. A few arrived with microchips or uneven edges. Here's the thing though, at this price, some variance is expected. You might need to hand finish 1 or 2 blades, but the core set is solid. Also, the pencils are a gimmick. Nice to have, but not a reason to buy. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants everything included or a pro stocking a secondary workshop. Skip this one if you demand flawless out-of-the-box precision. For under $30, it's an insane value.
So, which one should you buy? The Hurricane is great for casual use. DeWalt offers pro durability. Greb's delivers classic feel. Amazon Basics gives you the most tools, and Unzeling packs the best overall value. Your choice depends on your skill level and needs, but now you know exactly what each one really offers. Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to hear what you go with.